Merry Christmas. It's currently 8:30 and I've been awoken. Apparently we're getting up now. I'm gonna ignore my hair, it's gonna look so much better later. But yeah, good morning, and I'll update you when I do something. I don't know, when I do something. Looks like Santa has arrived. Reese?
Yeah.
Are you coming out to be in my vlog?
No.
Come on, dude. Why?
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog.
Right, so we've just opened all the presents. I'm not going to show you what I've got because I'm going to do a separate video on that, but you might see like glimpses of things throughout the video. I'm not going to go into detail about anything just because everyone wanted a what I got for Christmas video, so I'm going to film one of those in a few days. So we're all going to my nan's for dinner today, so I'm going to do my makeup and go over some bits of my hair because I curled it yesterday with my new curler, which I opened for my Christmas Eve gift because my family do Christmas Eve gifts, so we get to open one on Christmas Eve, and that's what I chose because my curler's broke, so I needed a new one. But I'm going to go over some of those and do my makeup and choose an outfit, and then I'll show you what I've put together. So I don't know if you can tell, but I got a camera for Christmas. You'll be able to see me right there, and that's a little screen. I'll just put it like this because I've got no clothes on, but here's the first clip on my camera. It's so good, it's actually so good. And it just focuses as well really well. So, by the way guys, very eventful Christmas Eve so far. I've grabbed the wrong side of the curler, so I've actually burnt all of the palm of my hand, so that's great. We'll see how it goes later. So we're gonna ignore the mess in the room, but this is my hair and this is my outfit of the day. So this jumper's from PLT and I cropped it shorter, and then these jeans are from H&M, they're just wide leg, and then I've got all of my rings on today. I don't know if you'll be able to see them, but I'll try and show them to you. And then this is my other hand, so I just got this ring today, this Gucci one, and I love. And then my other one's my Pandora ones. This is really gonna get a lot getting used to, but we're going to head up to my nan's soon for dinner, and I keep looking at myself up there, so if that's what I'm looking at, it's because I can see myself and I'm not looking at the camera. But yeah, I'm gonna be going to my nan's for dinner, and then I'll let you know what happens there. Christmas beef, Wendy's famous Christmas beef. TV is super loud. I don't admit, I'm like kind of getting used to how it works, so if it's like a bad filming in this video, then I'm so sorry, but
Yeah? You got stuff on?
Day 21 in the Big Brother house. And, I'm just vlogging our Christmas meal, and if you look over to my left, she's got a card with a robin on. If you look to my right,
Hello!
got need to have a shave, and yeah, that's about it for my Christmas vlog. But make sure you tune in next week and click the link below, and the bell, like, comment, subscribe, and turn your notifications on. See ya, thanks.
hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Hello my dudes. It's time for bed. I will just catch you up in the morning. Goodbye vlog. My vlog ended of me very drunk and I didn't catch you up in the morning because in the morning I felt like trash. Yeah, I felt like trash, and then I had to go to work for 5.5 hours. Probably one of the worst shifts of my life because I just didn't feel good the whole time. My own fault. Drank a lot of water, got to stay hydrated, and that was pretty much it. But I had a good Christmas. I feel like my Christmas weren't really affected that much because usually at Christmas I don't go anywhere anyway. I always just go to my nan's for Christmas dinner, which is what we did. We just went to my nan's and had Christmas dinner. And there's only like my family who come to Christmas dinner, there's only 3 households anyway, so we weren't like, we couldn't not invite people. Now, what date is it today? It's the 27th, so this is my catch up. I'm a day late, but it's fine because I'm editing the video today, so. Do I need to say anything else?
You don't need an outro.
It's a vlog, innit? So I don't need to do an outro, do I?
Ryan gave you one.
I know, Ryan gave me an outro. Yeah, that's just going to be in the middle of my vlog. I hope everyone had a good Christmas. Comment down below if you had a good Christmas or a rubbish one. I'm nosy. Comment down below what you got for Christmas as well because I'm nosy. So let me know. And also, I'm going to be filming a what I got for Christmas video on Wednesday because I'm not working on Wednesday, so I'm going to film it then. So that should be up the day after New Year's Day probably. I'll just edit it and then try and get it up then. Okay, I'm going. Thanks for watching. Bye.